Hey guys, how's it going? आज एक पैसेज हम करने वाले हैं आर्कटिक फॉक्स पे। फॉक्स तो सुना है आपने कई बार, बट व्हाट इज द आर्कटिक फॉक्स? आपको फोटो दिखा देती हूं मैं। आर्कटिक रीजन्स में पाया जाता है ये फॉक्स। कोई ना कोई एनिमल का पैसेज हर साल एक रहता है, बट वी डोंट नो विच स्लॉट इट्स गोइंग टू बी। एनिमल पैसेज इज जनरली वेरी वेरी गुड, वेरी इजी टू हैंडल। ठीक है, तो this is our topic, our protagonist, that is Arctic fox. And here we have energy industry. उससे कैसे connected है? That will be the main idea. This is something to do with science, and of course, Arctic fox का extinction या कुछ, if that is discussed, it is ecology. Level of difficulty, obviously easy, moderate, easy to moderate, कुछ भी बोल लो आप. Now, this is the passage. 2 paras here, 2 paras here. 4 ही paras है. And there seems to be a lot of data. So Arctic foxes are known to construct these, in which they give birth to the young. Now the first line talks about them. तो ये तो समझ में आ रहा है कि पूरा passage is on Arctic fox. But here he says natural gas exploration. This drilling. Oh, so energy industry. How this is affecting Arctic foxes. ड्रिलिंग जो है वो कहाँ कहाँ हो रही है, उनसे कैसे कनेक्शन है. Norwegian Agency Conservation Management recognizes the need for, okay, बहुत क्लियर है क्या डिस्कशन क्या है. What type of questions do we have? Let's check. In addition to the protection of the maternal burrows, okay, the following options can be adopted to ensure the protection of this. Except true, 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 false. This must be connected with the last para. बोला है ensure the protection, and instantly I understand the passage is talking about how they are not protected anymore, so we need to do something. Okay, all of the following can be inferred except true, 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 false. Which sequence of the phrases below best captures the principal idea of the respective paragraphs? Simple language में बोले तो the flow of the passage. ठीक है, so ये देखेंगे. Okay, all of the following arguments are made except. Now I would love to start with this, go on to this, and then the remaining two. चलिए, flow क्या है? Construct burrows, okay, raise them, okay, digging burrows, all right, beginning the kids are born, okay, kids, sorry, fox का बच्चा kid होता है, ठीक है, kids are born, okay, the family groups have abandoned, okay. Because burrowing Arctic foxes are unable to see through the snow, there is a risk that wintertime natural gas exploration and development activities could disturb this. That is the main idea. The main idea is generally here. Previous research found that forward-looking FLT imagery could detect a large number of this. Okay. However, these studies, method had some drawbacks. The problem here is they are unable to see through the snow. So these activities could harm them, disturb. Then they come up with one study that could detect कि भाई उनको पता चल जाता कि हाँ यहाँ foxes हैं, so let's not harm them. But these studies had a drawback. उसका drawback जो technical whatever, I'm not interested in reading. So I'm going to just skim. Aerial FLT, okay, but they were unable to locate, okay, physical characteristic, all right. Maternal burrows, question is connected. Physical characteristics of this, increasing frequencies of this, and false positives prevent these surveys from offering, okay. So FLT और उसका drawbacks की बात किया है. Move on. Natural gas exploration has been expanding along this. स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज, वो जो नॉर्थ कंट्रीज हैं यूरोप में, ऐसा जो जटिंग आउट पोर्शन है उसमें. And the Norwegian administration proposed drilling for this, despite the fact, okay, designated essential habitat. गड़बड़ की है इन लोगों ने. It has been designated as a habitat for these foxes. उसके बावजूद, ये proposed drilling. While these things have been happening, an increase in the number of mother Arctic foxes, okay, occurring, all right, okay, the confluence of these, okay, destroyed, okay, 3 months old allowed to emerge, पूरा descriptive, पूरा technical, और यहाँ इस पैरा में तो like they have decided to drill, and what is the repercussion that can happen? Now I'll read the last para, which must be suggestions. Hang in there, guys. The Norwegian Agency Conservation Management Plan, या जो भी है, recognizes the need for on-the-ground protection to maximize Arctic fox burrowing success. Between these, the northern Barents Sea Arctic fox suffered a 42% decline. Chief cause was what? Has been reduced survival, particularly of kids. So maximizing kids survival, बच्चों का survival, is essential for these. A critical step, protection of maternal burrows. यहाँ पे मेरा question connected है. In regions where burrowing activity overlaps with these, such as this, the burrows must be accurately identified to be protected. By that measure, the energy industry has failed to protect, okay, adequately. तो ये अगर हम देखें, ये जो बोल रहा है एंड में, by that measure, they तो have failed. So the overall tone of the author is critical towards the energy industry, because in the last line also he says the industry has failed to protect. ठीक है, I hope this is clear. बहुत ही मतलब क्लियर होने का कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें, बहुत ही सिंपल सा पैसेज है, उसका फ्लो है. Right. So now main idea is what? Arctic fox. Keywords निकाल लो. Arctic fox, extinction, problem, disruption, and energy industry. And then end में suggestions. In case there's a main idea question, last मतलब suggestion वाला part should be there. There's a question that talks about the flow. That's the essence of every paragraph. देख लो पहले आप अभी. Unable to see this, there is a problem. Then FLT and uska drawback. Then here they have decided to drill, okay, when they are at least, or ye wo jo kuch bhi hai, despite the fact that this has designated, okay, increase in this, okay, some problem again happening. So let's go over to the first question, this one, right? So which sequence captures the principal idea of the respective paragraphs? Crux of every paragraph. ठीक है? The birth of the Arctic foxes. मैं तो लास्ट पैरा से स्टार्ट करूंगी इसमें. Suggestions है. Correct. So burrowing activities, human activities in the Arctic region, the apathetic Norwegian administration, conservation strategy. Do you think you need to check anything else after this? Now I'll take you to option 4 and show you the other parts. Arctic foxes and their habit described किया है first para में, very clear. Kids वगैरह की बात की उसने. FLT and the drawback of FLT. This is good. This is good. Natural gas exploration and its effects. They have decided to drill, and the repercussions that can happen. वही discuss किया है. Conservation strategy suggestions. In case you are thinking, option 3. Wildlife in the Arctic Scandinavia. Wildlife. Here it says flora and fauna. No, this is away from the main idea. So going by that, I would be left with 1 and 4. This is flora and fauna nahi chahiye. Human activities in this nahi chahiye, suggestions chahiye. Wildlife in this, that's too broad, eliminated. So the birth of the Arctic foxes, मान लिया. The energy industry, FLT था second para. Human activities, burrowing activities. ठीक ठाक भी लग रहा है, but where is the suggestion, the conservation strategy? That's here, because of which this is good. This is better than option 1. So this question, very, very moderate. Generally ये main idea वाला in the form of sentences or in the form of these chain words are doable. ये हमें सेकेंड करना था. In addition to the protection of maternal burrows, last para, the following options can be adopted except. एक है जो नहीं बोला है, ठीक है. So, a scientific approach to ensuring Arctic fox kit survival is to be adopted. बोला है clearly, बच्चे ये the chief cause reduced survival, particularly of kits. So maximizing the survival is important, right? So scientific approach, okay, survival is to be adopted. This is true. Agreed? Okay. Then area should be marked as essential habitat for Arctic fox burrows so that no drilling can take place. Areas marked, okay, no drilling. I'll check this. Natural gas exploration should be conducted in a more responsible manner. Conservation of the snow cover of the Barents Sea. Now, I'll go back. मैं पहले Barents Sea को चेक कर लूंगी. Okay, चलो जाने दो. कभी-कभी पेन काम नहीं करता है. कोई नहीं. हाँ, Barents Sea is given here. So he says need for on-the-ground protection to maximize Arctic fox burrowing success. Between 2002 and 2012, between 2002 and 2012, the northern Barents Sea Arctic fox population suffered this. यहाँ पे 42% is a big number, Barents Sea का. The chief cause was this, ठीक है? Overlaps with this, such as natural this. The burrows must be accurately identified to be protected. That doesn't say no drilling can take place, right? So he says here very clearly, identified, they should be identified. By that measure, the energy industry has failed to protect this. Protect the threatened northern Barents Sea Arctic fox. So Barents Sea पे तो आपको करना ही चाहिए. Conservation of the snow cover of the Barents Sea. True. Right? Then between 2 and 3, natural gas exploration should be conducted in a more responsible manner. This or this is false. Area should be marked as essential habitat. This is correct. Identification of those zones so that no drilling can take place, and natural gas should be conducted in a more responsible manner. We go back here. On the ground protections. The chief cause has been this. Persistence, a critical step is the protection of maternal burrows. In regions where this overlaps with human activities, such as this, burrows must be identified, but no drilling to take place. That is extra. Energy industry has failed to protect this. So energy industry should be more responsible, right? So should be conducted in a more responsible manner. This is true. This is the odd one. I mean, this is false. Hope this is clear. So we are done with this. ये नहीं किया हमने. हाँ, चलो ये कर लेते हैं पहले. All of the following can be inferred except true, 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 and one false. Protocol compliance may prove detrimental in FLT detection rates. FLT we can go and check. Okay. There has been environmental degradation in the region surrounding the Arctic Circle. Now, isn't this what he discussed in the second and third paras? Arctic Circle, environmental degradation. You want to check, go back and check. Arctic Conservation Area, proposed drilling, coastal, okay, Norwegian, happening. While these things have been happening, an increase in the number of something occurring concurrently over the past 20 years due to the fact that the snow cover of the Barents Sea has been retreating. पिछला क्वेश्चन से भी कनेक्टेड था जो Barents Sea को प्रिजर्व करना, उसका स्नो कवर retreating. This confluence of these events is elevating the risk. Disturbed, okay, natural gas this. So ये जो इसका point है, there has been environmental degradation. This is being discussed there. So this is true. Okay. Then FLT imagery is not a foolproof method to detect Arctic fox फ्लॉज उसका डिस्कस किया सेकंड पैराग्राफ में. दैट इज व्हाट वी कैन रीफ्रेज एज दिस. इज नॉट अ फूल प्रूफ मेथड. ट्रू. In the recent past, it has been observed that mother Arctic foxes choose to live with their kids on land. This or this. Protocol compliance may prove harmful in FLT detection rates. Go back to this. Okay. Method had some drawbacks. Effectiveness carried out by energy field operations between this was investigated. Aerial surveys, okay, that were known in this, but they were unable to locate this. The physical characteristics, increasing frequencies of weather, okay, and false positives are likely to prevent these surveys from offering reliable protection. तो ये surveys का तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं होगा फिर. From reliable protection, offering reliable protection from the activities of this. Stricter adherence to protocols may improve FLC detection rates, FLT detection rates. यहाँ पे बिल्कुल उल्टा बोला है. May prove detrimental. This is harmful. So this is false. We are looking for this. Right? ये बचा था. In the recent past, it has been observed that they choose to live on land. यहाँ पे होगा कहीं पे. Number of mother fox, choose to burrow on land. It's given there. Right? So ये true false का question था. Typical true false. You just have to pick the options and verify. 2 भी हो गया हमारा. 3 तो पहले ही कर चुके थे हम. ये बच गया है भाई. अच्छा, इसमें तो बहुत सारे true false ही हैं. Okay, 1 false. Identification of Arctic fox burrows is essential for their conservation. Last para, last 2 lines. Identify and preserve ऐसा. This is true. The region surrounding Scandinavia is rich in natural gas deposits. यही तो discuss किया है. Companies have decided to drill there. This is true. Conservation of Arctic foxes is impossible to implement. The tone itself tells me this is false. Had it been impossible, he would not have given us suggestions, recommendations. Natural gas exploration during winter is not at all advisable with respect to Arctic fox conservation. During winter, I'll show you, it's given here. यहाँ देखो. Winter का दिया हुआ है. Fact that the coastal designated, okay, increase in this. Confluence of these events recognizes the need है. यहाँ पे कहीं पे winter का दिया हुआ था. ये मेरे I remember this clearly. Detect a large number. ये तो FLT का drawback था. Middle of ये winter, sorry. The kids are born in the middle of winter, and by the middle of March, the family groups have abandoned the burrows and migrated onto newly formed tundra to resume hunting lemmings. Okay. Because burrowing Arctic foxes are unable to see through the snow winters, there is a risk that winter time this and this can overlap or can disturb mother Arctic foxes and their kids. Right? So, not at all advisable this is true. This is our answer. So, even this question was very moderate. This one though was moderate. Ye except wala protocol compliance, this is given there, this is easy. Okay, protocol word लेके आप ढूंढ सकते थे. Adopted ये दे रखा है वहां पे. Again, this was moderate. So this was a passage in which all the 4 questions were pretty moderate. More so because these were like true false questions. True false questions में generally difficulty level नहीं होता है. It's only how you act fast and eliminate fast. ठीक है? I hope all the explanations are clear, guys. Thank you. I'm going to see you again.